This is a reflection letter. This is the multicultural project I had there with other people that gave their input that is employed. Did an essay on that. There's my reference of people I talked to. Entrustment activity explains what it is. My cover letter. This is a fee policy that I had learned how to do. Now that I have the knowledge, if I run my own daycare, how would I go about balancing out the income on a monthly budget? Resume evaluation. I had done my own evaluation in class. These are the classes that I have taken. So when we have a chance to evaluate our co-worker, I have good practice in it, and be able to answer the questions, or if I need room for improvement, I know where to go. These are assignments, staff evaluation. It's also a reflection. This is the staff evaluation of the questions that we were doing in daycare or a preschool. Some of the questions will be similar to this. And this is a reflection letter of the assignments that I had done in the past, and explaining what I learned from it. When doing this assignment, it was an excellent experience for me. I have learned many new things that I did not know before. Example, designing a flyer. I have learned from that, is how I would like my center to be. I visualized it and gave me the knowledge of what can fit and what cannot fit in the size of room. Then I would want to have what states require me to have. So I must use my skills to make space for everyone to move around. I must compare the area with the number of children I can have in the center. We also learned about how to do staff evaluation forms. This is my e-portfolio. Early childhood education at Bryan and Stratton. I have 5 things that I added and utilized appropriate current technology and resource to locate and evaluate information needed to accomplish a goal, and then communicate finding in visual, written, and or oral format. I did a course exhibit, artifact. I added all these to my Craig. Artifact evaluation, another artifact. Those was added to my Craig. Participate in social, academic, learning, and professional community for individual growth and to function as a citizen of a multicultural world. I did an artifact, course exhibit. I did a career development action plan part 2. All of it was added in my Craig. Observe, document, and assess evaluations to support young children's and family teaching and learning. I did 2 things on that. Program, direct meeting, dispute. That's the artifact. I added that to my Craig, and a gap analysis, complete assessment score, and career development 2. Incorporated development appropriate guidance strategy to a positive impact of child behavior and social emotional development. I did an artifact on that. That was the gap analysis. Organizing work effectively to create a purposeful response program, including preparation of written plans, progress record, parent communication, and various reports. I did 2 things in there. Staff evaluation, artifact, a fee policy, and a flyer. These are all the things that I can learn and carry on to an employer, and also these are e-portfolio in my Craig that the employers can look at and see the materials that I've learned and see what type of education that I have